Hello everyone, comb the left section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to it and create a loop using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side and combine both the tails together but not the rubber band. Split them into two sections with right one being bigger, then have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner, then roll the braid into clockwise direction. Then with the left section restate, split them into two parts and braid it and make it go over the bun and have your beautiful hair clutcher. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band another section of the hair from the left side and drop it inside the loop twice. So totally we have three tails, right? So braid it and secure the end with the rubber band and hold the remaining part of the hair and have a rubber band attached to it and one more in the bottom middle part and stretch the middle one, stuff it as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpins. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band the remaining section of the hair, split them into two parts and have it braided across each other in a thicker manner and have the end secured with the rubber band. Then roll the braid and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Then decorate it even more further, dropping your lovely hairpin out of your collection. Comb the left section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to a clear loop using your finger. Drop the tail into it. For the right section, braid it in a thinner manner and attach them together with another rubber band. Then hold it along with the remaining section of the hair. Have a rubber band in the top and bottom and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping lovely hairpin. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have a rubber band. The top middle part curl loop on the middle one, drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail into its parent loop, making a heart and lump. Then grab a section of the hair from the left side and have it in a thinner braid. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine both the braids together with another rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the left section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to it and create a gap using your finger and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side as well. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and create a gap behind it using your finger and drop the tail into it. Make it come from bottom to top and have it come down. Combine both the tails together and have it dropped into its loop. Then tighten a little bit. Then with the ponytail we have a rubber band in the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Stuff the tail into the middle, making as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Comb the left section of the hair and have it split them into two parts and braid it and attach it to a strip of hair on the right side in the middle. Then braid the right strip of the hair and do it vice versa. Do it one more time, grab the remaining section of the hair and make a ponytail out of it. Split them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Roll the braid to the top and have it as a bun, then drop in a little hairpin, then attach your favorite hair clutcher. Split your hair into two sections and on the right section have a rubber band attached to it and after that split the hair into two and have it braided across each other in a thicker manner. Then pinch out the hair on the sides to make it as a loopy braid. Then roll the braid into clockwise direction and have the tips sit in underneath the bun. Do the same braiding on the left side and pinch out the hair and have it as a braid and drop it around the bun we created, secure it underneath and drop in your favorite long hairpin. Comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band, have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Then drop the entire tail into its parent loop, making a heart and lump, and hold it along with the remaining section of the hair. Make a ponytail out of it, rubber band the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Then hide the tips underneath the lump by having the rubber band attached to it. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.